Hello my friends, merhaba. I have an exciting announcement to make. I'm opening the channel membership as I get a lot of requests from you on how to support me, how to meet with me or make food classes. Some of you might know, some of you don't. I shared more than 800 recipes in Turkish, and with your requests and positive feedback I decided to make only English content. After a while, I'll begin to share my travels over the country, where I eat, the food and culture. So I changed my channel's name from Turkish Food Recipes to Turkish Food and Travel. Today we are 560k community with almost 400 videos in English. Alhamdulillah, thanks to you and YouTube, I'm a full-time content creator and I do this for living. I get a lot of requests from you to meet with me, take cooking classes, or support me for my work, or eat my home-cooked meal when you come to Istanbul. Actually, I dreamed of having my own kitchen studio where I can host you. I also want to travel more to show the beauty of Turkey and want to do it freely without depending on other supporters or advertisements. It is getting harder and harder to fulfill my dreams, so I thought maybe you would like to support me in making it happen. So if you tried my recipes, it helped you cook Turkish tastes in the comfort of your home. If you like watching my travel videos and want to see more places or get ideas where else you can visit in Turkey, maybe the contents make you remember the beautiful memories you got on your Turkey trips and you want to thank. In any case, you can support me, take my cooking classes or meet with me by joining my channel membership. So what are you going to get if you join my channel? I have 3 levels with different perks. First, you can buy me a glass of tea and simit to thank my work. You will have a priority replies for your comments, loyalty badges and custom emojis to have some fun while we interact together in the channel. You will also have access to members only photos and status updates from the community tab and early access to new videos. The second level is the Turkish Food Lovers Club. Including the perks from the previous level, we will make online classes, which excites me most. I will also shout out your names in the video or description box and make members only live chats or live streams. The third level is for Turkish food enthusiasts. At this level, I will host you for a food tour in Istanbul or a lunch, dinner together, maybe in my future place with your support. I'm also working on special series of videos to go deep on essentials of Turkish cuisine, the utensils, the ingredients. Hopefully I will inform you more about that. Let me remind you that I will continue to make free content for my channel. The membership isn't necessary. It is just a new way to support me in growing my channel and to be able to meet with you in person. I love you all and I hope to see you soon in the channel membership. Bye.